Now till today, whatever we were running, it's all we were using a single test only, single test or else a two test only. But there is something I will show you. So let me go to the initial things only. Okay, not this. So let me go here, create a class. I'll just make a sequence test. I'll show you what I'm trying to say you. See, till today, whatever we were seeing, what it used to, whenever I'm running, it used to run in a sequential only. First before test, then test, all those things in a guided manner. But see, there is something unguided manner also. Don't worry about that error, we will fix it. So I will say method. Okay, let's say, okay, method, something I'm doing. Nothing, doesn't matter what inside I'm putting. Method one. Okay, now again, because multiple tests we didn't try it yet, we were trying with different combinations. Public void, tell me something name, let's say test, and here let's say test something, and then again take another one, this time public void okay, so let me import this. You should import the proper one. See, it's even your JUnit. This is again one more framework in Java which you can use, but TestNG is quite flexible and popular among all these frameworks because of open source. I mean, anybody can write their own code and they can publish to the market. So you need to import the proper thing here. So we are using TestNG, so let's only give. Why again it is throwing error? One can be fine, right? Oh, this is something. Okay, what I will do, I'll copy paste, import. Okay, just yes. Okay, the error gone. Now observe this carefully. What and all methods I put, test methods. One is method, one is test, and one is function. Okay, let me make it as capital to maintain the standard. Now let me run it. Same thing as usual, run as TestNG. Okay, so it runs successfully. There are no errors, but you can see what it is doing, how it run. Initially function means last function ran first, then method one, first function ran in the middle, then the middle method run in the second, third. Now what is this? Why it is? It should be sequentially running, right? But why it is unguided manner? The thing is that TestNG always executes in a alphabetical order. Okay, alphabetical order. This is one of the important thing while you this is one of the mostly asked question in what do you call in interviews, that they can ask you that on what sequence your test engine runs. Then you can say alphabetical order. See, first f function ran first, then after f what comes, m comes, then your test comes, t comes. So as per the initial letters it will run. Now what if I want to run in a guided manner? Because I told you initial days the TestNG motto is to run the methods in a guided manner. It has to be flexible. It has to be by the user way, not as the TestNG. Because you cannot restrict a user to do something. You have to make it more flexible to deal with these things. So that is what you need to always focus on that. So yes, your TestNG gives you an option to do that. So for that, TestNG gives you one attribute called as priority. Now what is that priority? If you mention that priority, then as per that priority it will run. So let's say I'm giving priority equal to 0. So the how low priority it will run that the first. So now let me make it as priority 1 to show you that. And then here priority is 2. Okay, so now let's see how it is running. So you can see priority 0, I told you low priority runs first. I mean, whichever the priority 0 we are giving, that will run first. So method 1 ran first. Then second, you have your function 1. So function came, function ran. These three I am talking about. Okay, then the test method priority 2. So at the end it will run. So you can guide your way. I mean, you can use your own way of running these things, so that, I mean, what happens tomorrow if one single class file, if you are mentioning like more than one test methods, then you need to put it in a guided manner. Okay, so this is one thing, like which I needed to tell you. And there is something again, another thing I'll tell you. So with that only, let me copy paste. These are some miscellaneous and one of the features some or other time you might need in your what you call while running. So something called as enabled equal to false. Let's say I'm doing this, and here I will method something procedure, something, any name I'm giving, procedure. Okay, so now let's see what will happen to this. Okay, you can see it didn't run. Actually, why it didn't run? Because I made it as enabled equal to false. So let's say that you have like nearly 100 test methods are there, and you don't want to run a few of them. So you can directly, you need not to delete it, because you might need that at the later point of time. So you can directly go and say that enabled equal to false, so it will skip that particular what you call that test method, and then it will continue as usual from the earlier methods. So okay,